I'll show you how to eject the LCD from the keyboard panel on a Surface laptop first and second generation. So simply turn it to the side, use a needle like this. If it's too thin, use the pliers to help you grip it strong. And probably about 2, 4, 5, 6. Feel the spring. You can see that spring pushing back. When you feel the springs all the way in, push it out. There's 2 clips. This is one side, and you've got to do the other side while not letting go of the other side, otherwise it will clip back in. Watch my finger at the bottom, still holding it. Same thing here, probably about 5th here, 6. It's the same. As you can see, it just popped out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to support this channel.